Module Overview. Introduction to Consumer Behavior. Consumer behavior is the study of individuals, groups, or organizations and the processes they use to select, secure, use, and dispose of products, services, experiences, or ideas to satisfy needs and desires. It is a multidisciplinary field incorporating psychology, sociology, anthropology, economics, and marketing. Understanding consumer behavior enables marketers to anticipate how consumers will respond to marketing strategies, tailor communications, and develop products that meet evolving needs and preferences. It explores both rational and emotional decision-making processes, highlighting complex influences and biases. The consumer decision-making process. The consumer decision-making process involves multiple stages: problem recognition, realization of a need or want triggered by internal stimuli, e.g. hunger, or external stimuli, e.g. advertising. Information. Search. Consumers seek information from personal sources, commercial sources, public sources, and experiential sources. Evaluation of alternatives. Consumers compare product attributes, prices, quality, and brand reputation to make a choice. Purchase decision. The final choice of product, brand, vendor, payment method, and purchase timing. Post-purchase behavior. Consumer satisfaction or dissatisfaction influences future behavior, brand loyalty, and word of mouth. You must understand and influence each stage to improve conversion and customer satisfaction. Psychological factors influencing consumer behavior. Motivation, internal drive to fulfill needs, explained by theories such as Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Perception. How consumers interpret information and stimuli, involving selective attention, distortion, and retention. Learning. Changes in behavior arising from experience, involving classical and operant conditioning. Attitudes. A consumer's consistently favorable or unfavorable evaluations, feelings, and tendencies toward an object or idea. Personality and self-concept. Individual traits and self-image affecting preferences and buying patterns. These psychological constructs guide marketers in crafting compelling messages and product positioning. Social and cultural influences. Family. The primary social unit impacting brand choices and consumption habits. Reference groups. Groups that influence attitudes and behaviors, including friends, colleagues, and celebrities. Social class. A division based on income, occupation, education, affecting consumption preferences. Culture and subculture. Shared values, customs, and beliefs shape consumption patterns and preferences. Roles and status. Social roles, e.g., parent, professional, influence buying behavior consistent with societal expectations. Recognizing these influences helps you target segments with cultural sensitivity and relevance. Consumer behavior models. Economic model. Assumes rational behavior with decisions maximizing utility. Psychological model. Focuses on motivation, perception, learning, and attitudes. Sociocultural model. Emphasizes social and cultural environment influences. Howard Sheth model. Integrates psychological and sociological factors in complex decision-making. Engel Collett Blackwell, EKB. Model. A detailed process-oriented model explaining consumer choices. These models provide frameworks for analyzing buying behaviors and predicting responses. Market research. Purpose and scope. Market research is the systematic gathering, recording, and analysis of data related to marketing problems and opportunities. It informs decision-making across product development, pricing, promotion, and distribution. Market research reduces uncertainty and risk by providing insights into customer needs, market trends, competitive landscape, and campaign effectiveness. Types of market research. Primary research. Original data collected firsthand through surveys, interviews, focus groups, experiments, and observations. Secondary research. Analysis of existing data from internal records, government publications, industry reports, and databases. Each type has advantages and limitations regarding cost, timeliness, specificity, and scope. Qualitative versus quantitative research. Qualitative research. Exploratory methods such as in-depth interviews, focus groups, and ethnography aimed at understanding motivations, attitudes, and feelings. Quantitative research. Structured methods like surveys and experiments producing numerical data amenable to statistical analysis. An integrated approach often yields richer insights. Market research process. Defining the problem and objectives. Clear problem statement and research goals. Developing the research plan. Designing methodology, sampling and instruments. Collecting data. Gathering information ethically and accurately. Analyzing data. Statistical techniques, thematic coding, and interpretation. Reporting and presentation. Actionable insights communicated clearly to stakeholders. Robust process management ensures reliability and validity. Emerging trends in consumer behavior and market research. Digital consumer behavior. Impact of social media, mobile devices, e-commerce on purchase decisions. Big data and analytics. Leveraging vast data sets for predictive modeling and personalization. Neuromarketing. Using neuroscience tools to understand subconscious responses. Ethical research practices. Ensuring privacy, transparency, and fairness. Marketers must adapt research strategies to these evolving paradigms. Summary. This comprehensive module provides you with an in-depth understanding of consumer psychology, social influences, decision-making processes, and the integral role of market research. By mastering these areas, marketing professionals can design highly effective, customer-centered strategies grounded in data-driven insights.